Good evening. So tonight I went to Rockley Furnace for the final time. I've been a few times, but to my mind, it's not very active. So tonight was a decider. So the next time you see me, I will be at a brand new location with brand new content. But in the meantime, enjoy this short compilation of Rockley. I'll see you very, very soon. Good evening and welcome to my new channel, the Yorkshire Ghost Guy. Tonight I'm totally on my own. A little bit nerve-wracking, to be honest. I'm going to have a look around and listen, see what I find, and if I find anything, I'll let you know. It's really quite nerve-wracking being on my own. I keep hearing things. Just 1 second. Right. Just going to take you with me. I think I can hear somebody hanging about. That's the only thing when you're on your own, it's a bit... Hello? Okay, if there's anybody here, could you show yourself on the camera? On the camera. See, that is just simply a tree, so I don't think, or a branch, so we can't... It looks like a man praying, but there's nothing there. I'm stood right here and there's nobody here. It's just picking random shapes up and seeing them as people. So I think straight away we can discount that, but it's good to check things. Look, more ghosts that don't exist. It's like he's breakdancing. 2 of them now. So that's, yeah, look, that's, see if you're, that looks pretty convincing, but I'm not convinced myself. There's nothing there. Right, so obviously any live that I do in future, it would have to be a very limited kit because I'm going to have to move it from this location to the one to the furnace further down in the woods. So it could be quite a challenge, but it'll be very interesting. Let me just show you what I've got, simple setup. So it would literally have to be that. Because I'm going to have to move it from the engine room down to the furnace. I'm going to have a quick walk down to the furnace and I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to leave that running for a few minutes. I'm not going to bore you, but if I do get anything, I'll obviously include it in this video. So as I say, imagine this is alive and I've collected my little bits and bobs off there, and if it were live I'd have to go. Obviously this will be in pitch darkness, so it could be a bit hazardous. So this is the journey I have to make to the furnace. So just bear with me. Slippy. So you can imagine it's slippy and a bit treacherous in daylight, so it's going to be even worse at night. And it's absolutely freezing. It's quite a picturesque day. It's nice. There's a little bridge down here. It's alright. Little bench that I've sat down on before. So we're just coming up to the bridge. I don't think water will be running today. I think it'll be frozen. So imagine this is live. It's not going to be very engaging because I've got a... Oh, it is running, yeah. See, it's lovely. So imagine this is alive and I'm going straight to the... It's not too far. It's took me a minute, just over a minute to get here. So it's possible to do it all in one go as alive, but it's just how engaged is it going to be? So this is the furnace. It's quite a place. And even I have to bow down so I don't bang my head in this one. But again, people have said to have heard things and seen things. And it's one of them places you just don't know what you're going to get. As Forrest Gump would say. What's your name? My name's Andrew. I'm only going to keep these audio sessions really short because that's really loud. Okay, in front of you, or in front of me, there's a light. I'm going to take that light away. Could you copy that if I move it away from the machine? Right. Come on then. If you want to talk to me, you can talk to me. Push the green light, please, on the floor. The little box, the noisy machine. Say your name. If you want me to turn the noisy machine off, could you touch the green light? I'm here tonight. Come through and touch my hand. I've been many times and I've not had anything. So tonight this is going to be probably my final visit. Could you come forward please if you used to work here? If you used to visit here. Touch my hand and do that. Could you copy that for me? Come forward. Come forward and talk to me. Have I spoken to you before? Have you spoken to me before? So here we are. So the first protocol will be the engine house, which you can see in front of me. Quite a structure, and apparently quite active. As I say, I've not had a great deal of activity here, so I think tonight might be the decider. But I have got some new locations in mind, and they are quite promising. There's still traffic about, it's still not mega late, but I'm going to set up and I'm going to see if we get anything. Rockley, final visit. Right, okay. I'm going to stand back up for a while. You've got everything you need to talk to me. Could you come forward, please? Push the green light. My name's Andrew. What's your name? I'm getting bits and bobs. I can't actually hear you properly until I get home and look back through it. Could you make a definite sign? Could you touch the green light, please? Try and change the colour of the green light in front of me. Come forward. Hello? Come forward. Are you here? Oh, no. I know Spirit didn't move that. I need more proof of that. Could you touch the green light if you just moved that other machine? Hello? Please come forward. I've been a few times. Tonight's my final visit. Please come forward and talk to me. don't wish to be ghoulish, I want to know if there's life after death. There is there? Is it easy for you to talk through them? Okay, alright. Tell you what I'll do, I'm going to switch that off. That's nothing spooky, that, folks. Right, I'm going to abandon that idea. Yep, like I say, only a brief visit, but I'm fairly convinced there's nothing here. Fairly convinced there's nothing here. Like I said, there's not a spooky past attached to it. There was no persecution, no stories of ghostly monks. And why on earth would you want to haunt work? Once you're done with work, you're done. You go home, you enjoy yourself. So I won't be haunting work. What's that? Well, I did bird at first. Yeah, I can't think many people want to haunt work, to be honest. So if you look at the engine house from here, it's really, really impressive. I'll show you in a minute. If you do ever come, it's a bit treacherous. It's nice in day, but you have to watch these steps. Yeah, it's quite a cool place. But is it haunted? I don't know. It could well be. It's all down to interpretation. See a lot of teams and clubs come down and use the little stick man thingy and the cat balls and think, oh, it's haunted. It may well be, but no. So it's kind of like a goodbye to Rockley for me. Right, so the moment of truth, will my car start?